Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a video on this look right here. I am using a few new products today in this video, mostly from Maybelline actually. So if you'd like to see what products those are and what I used to create this look, keep watching. It was a really short intro. Shh. Come here. I love you. Oh, day. I can't pick him up and show you guys because he's giant. Okie dokie. I'm going to zoom you in on the face. Alright, great. So, starting with my eyes as always. I need to open this first, I guess, right? Pro tip. Always open your shit before you use it. I went to Walgreens, CVS, Walgreens yesterday, and spent way too much money on stuff when I really only needed like makeup wipes and my special moisturizer that my dermatologist told me to get, which is CeraVe. It's really not that special, but it's non-comedogenic, so it doesn't make you break out. Anyway, priming my eyes. Nothing new here. I haven't bought makeup in a really long time, and like Jaclyn Hill's stuff has come out. This I Love Tarte Dose of Colors collab came out. There was something else that came out that I haven't bought. Oh, the Norvina palette. Now Jaclyn Hill's fucking launching a brush collection. Your girl's gonna be poor. Okay, great. That's done. Yeah, so I've been trying not to spend as much money on makeup pretty much. But I did yesterday, and honestly, had I walked into a Ulta or a Sephora, it probably would have been much worse. So I'm just setting my concealer with my Kat Von D powder foundation, Lock-It powder foundation in Light 45. So now I'm going to go in with, this is the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. It's right here. Very small, lightweight, good for traveling. A lot of colors, some neutrals. Pretty nice. I don't remember how much this cost. I will link it down below if anything, but it is very affordable. I've heard really good things about this palette. Y'all know me, I love a good yellow. So yeah, this is the palette I'm going to be using on my eyes tonight. It is 7, almost 8 o'clock. 7:50, almost 8 o'clock, yeah. And I have to go, I don't have to, but I am going to go to this little cute bar place down the street from me, actually, and get drinks with some girls from work because one of them is leaving. She's moving to West Palm, and we're all just getting together to see her off. Her last day was today, so this is what I'm getting ready for. I am going in with Sweet Tea, which is the very neutral brown shade right here. And I'm just popping this in the crease. I have no idea what I'm doing yet, but we're gonna figure it out. Sweet tea. Honestly, I really don't like sweet tea. I don't. I'm from Florida, if you didn't know. The South, and I am not a sweet tea person. I don't really like iced tea even. I also can't drink caffeine, so not a fan. So far, this transition shade is really nice. It's blending out really, really well. I really like it. And I'm just using a Morphe M441 brush, a big fluffy one. I guess since I'm bringing this all the way over in the inner corner, I'm gonna do a halo eye. Before I do that though, I'm gonna dust some of this Lemonade Craze color, this one right here, this yellow. I'm gonna see if it, no, I'm gonna leave it how it is. I'm gonna leave it how it is. But I am gonna go in with Old Fashioned, this brown, another brown right here. Now I'm gonna take this on my R41 brush. I'm gonna start putting this Old Fashioned shade just on the outer area here in my crease. We're gonna be pretty messy with this. Why is my eyelid peeling? This is an important question that I need to have answers to. So blending those two together. I'm getting a little bit of fallout here, but it's not too bad. I'm gonna deepen up this part right here. All right, and I think this is just kind of be this is just kind of gonna be a messy, grungy, I guess, spotlight eye. I'm not really trying to do a cut crease tonight. I don't know. So now I'm going to take Ice Pop, this corally pink. It's coral, red-ish, whatever. I'm I'm just gonna layer this right up here. Wow, I like this color. I'm actually gonna pop this all over the lid, I think. Maybe not. I don't know yet. Let's see if I can make this work. Ah, Yule Finger coming through. I can work with this. So I'm just going in and packing this on. Try to make this a little bit more blended too now than like super harsh cut crease kind of thing, you know? But I definitely want it a little bit heavier in the middle jaw feel. My eyelids are so pink. Okie dokie. Let me see, I'm gonna blend this out a little bit. I'm gonna tap into Sweet Tea again and blend this out a little bit more. It was a little wild, isn't it? Just a little wild. Just trying to make sure this color is evenly on here and distributed. Not trying to have any crazy eyelids. But here we are. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take Sugar Coated, this shimmer in the bottom corner here, and I'm gonna put this, ooh, this feels really nice. I'm gonna put this over top of Ice Pop, this bright corally red pink color. And I'm gonna use my finger first. It's rather buttery at first. I think guys, I just can't talk ever. Let's try it with a brush. How about that? Taking my R42 from Morphe, I'm gonna spray it with my setting spray. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, yes. Ooh, yes. Yeah. I think this is the best shadow in the whole palette. Just being honest, guys. I like it. So now that we've done that, I am gonna go back in with that Old Fashioned color and darken up the inner corner, just because this is pretty bold and I want it a little bit darker on the outer areas. Okay, lovely. I think I'm gonna take Citrus, this gold shimmery color, and put this over top of, what was it, Sugar Coated? Just tap it right over top. Give that some dimension. I don't know if I'm gonna do a wing. I don't really feel like doing a wing. I don't really feel like taking that off later. Yeah, I'm not gonna do a wing. All right, I am gonna zoom me out though now. So now I'm just gonna I'm gonna do my face. I'm gonna go with my Tatcha Silk Canvas, then my Fenty Beauty, and my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. Yes, I use 3 primers on my face because I'm that bitch. So I'm just gonna rub this all over my face. I have a little hormone pimple on my chin and it really fucking hurts. So with the Optical Illusion Primer, I take like maybe this much because a little goes a long way with this. It's really thick. And I put this like here where most of my pores are to just smooth everything over and just massage that into my skin. And then whatever extra stuff I have, I just take it on my neck for the most part. And then with my Fenty primer, take like that much as well and pop this in my T-zone and just over top. All right, now that we've put on our 3 primers, I'm gonna take my Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. This is in light beige. I'm actually just gonna put this on my face. And I'm gonna take my Morphe sponge and blend this in. Even coverage, maybe. Oh, I totally forgot. I was gonna go and use these little pens from Maybelline as well. They're like little color corrector ones. I tried to use these 2 this morning. Didn't really work out that well. But I'm gonna try this orange one again. That's supposed to be for like dark circles because I have those. I think I put on too much this morning, so I'm just gonna pop a little bit in the corners here of my eye and like just leave it there, I guess. I don't really know how color correcting works. I mean, I do, but like I don't really know how to do it. Like, are you supposed to blend it out before and then you put your concealer over it? I don't know, man. I probably should be using something way smaller, but I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape again and lather this on my face. I always get confused because like you highlight and contour with stuff, but then you also highlight your face with like highlighter, you know? So I kind of get confused. I'm like, well, I'm going to conceal my face, I guess. Did this work? Does it look okay? I feel like I still look tired. I always make really attractive faces when I do this. All right, so I'm gonna conceal, highlight the rest of my face. Get some of this up here, down my nose. I always put it here Give myself some whiskers. And then I'll take this one and do this first since I did it first. But if I have too much going too high, I'll take the sponge that I use for my foundation and pounce that out with whatever's kind of left in it. Because I get really bad smile lines, I do that. Make sure to pounce out any excess. Get between my eyebrows here. And then I'm going to let my nose sit for just a minute. I bought the Maybelline Master Fix Setting and Perfecting Loose Powder. So it sets, mattifies, blurs, and smooths. Looks like this. And I haven't taken the little sticker off yet, so looks like this. It's white. Let's see. Let's find out, shall we? I'm gonna take my sponge, try to bake my face, or just set it, I guess. That is pretty matte, if you ask me. I'm gonna finish my nose now. I'm gonna use my Real Technique sponge here. It's really fine powder. I'm gonna set the sides of my nose, like so, and then the rest of my face. You know what? I'm just gonna take a big brush, or my setting brush, my Morphe. What is this? My R34. And I'm gonna set just, yeah, my entire face. I'm gonna have white powder all over me. Why does that look so weird? This is gonna give me flashback. I'm gonna bake my smile lines. Actually, I think I'm just gonna keep doing this with the damp sponge because that seems to do it best. I've got powder everywhere. All right, well, now that that's done, I look like a fucking psycho. I'm going to fix this area for one thing, because I'm gonna blend out my eyeshadow on the edges just so it doesn't look as cut off. And then I'm just pretty much gonna go in with the browns on my lower lash line. So I'll take Old Fashioned and just take this on the bottom here. I'll touch up this outer area. I will tell you, this palette, it does blend away a little bit, but so far I really like the shimmers. The mattes are pretty powdery, but I'm making it work. I'm gonna pop Citrus on my inner corner, that light gold shade that we put over top of the bronzy sugar-coated one. So that's that. I'm gonna dust away this powder all over my face. And now I'm going to bronze my face with my MAC Give Me Sun distribute right here. And use my Japanese brush to just give myself some warmth. I don't like girls who wear a lot of makeup. Okay. And now, what was I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna go in with this fluffy Morphe brush, which is probably a shadow brush, but I'm gonna use it to kind of contour my nose. Okie dokie. And then to kind of even it out, brighten it up a little bit, I will take my Kat Von D powder, pop that on my nose, pop this in the inner corner here, make me look a little bit more alive. I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to be using my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, as well as their Gimme Brow Plus, I think is what it's called now, Gimme Brow, in 4.5, and this one's in 4. This is in 4.5, and I'm gonna do my lashes first with my also Benefit Bad Gal Bang. I love this mascara so much because of course I'm gonna pop on falsies, so. Okay, so that's done. I'm gonna pop on these, I think the brand is Colored Raine. I don't know what style this is. Diamond Status, maybe? These false lashes here, I have cut them up. They're really fluffy, really nice, really light though at the same time. So you will see when they come on. And yeah, I'm gonna do my brows and I'll be right back. All right guys, so this is the finished look. I popped on Too Faced's Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in Child Star. My go-to typically for a nude lip other than my NYX push-up. And these are the lashes. See what I'm talking about? They're super fluffy. I like that they're bigger on the end, so they kind of like cat eye effect-ish. As far as highlighter goes, oh goodness. As far as highlighter goes, I did use MAC Whisper of Gilt as well as NARS Albatross. Look at that. Oh, love it. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and if you've watched to the end, thank you. As far as my initial review on this palette goes, Lemonade Craze, the mattes are a little chalky, I would say. The shimmers are absolutely stunning. They go on really nicely. This sugar-coated one right here, beautiful copper color. The mattes are just not as creamy as I wanted them to be, or as pigmented, but I think, I mean, it's a pretty good palette for what, like $12? I think it was, maybe 13. Again, I'll link it down below. And let me think what else do I have to say at the end of this? I think I know by now, but I always freeze up. If you did like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And if you want to see more videos like this on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. All the little buttons are right down over here. Like button, as well as the subscribe button. Go ahead if you want to. But yeah, this is it for tonight. I'm gonna go grab drinks with my friends, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.